Okay, so after you get all of your wood cut, we have 4 1x3s. We have 8 1x3s cut 13 inches long. And these are 1x8s that I cut into a 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, and 5 foot. Then what I did is I marked off every 14 inches. Okay, after you assemble the hinges, you're going to open it up, slide the shelves in, and spread it apart and measure how wide you want it. Then what I did was I got a chain and I put a screw with some washers going across so that way it doesn't open up and the shelves fall on everybody. And next I will stain it and make it look pretty.